All right. 2024 is practically nearly over. You know what I mean? Apologize for the delay in. If you're watching, obviously, and you're hearing, obviously, if you're watching, shall I say, you can see there's probably a slight delay. Unfortunately, there's nothing I can do about that. But you can see the quality is improved, right? You know what I'm saying? But anyway, um, so this ain't gonna be your usual type of episode. Yeah, this is gonna be the type of episode, yeah, where it's a Christmas special, New Year special. Yeah, so let's just get straight into it. This is basically like a year in review. You see the title already, so you already know what it's about, right? So the full title really and truly is Igbo Excellence Celebrating 2024's Top Achievements in Nigeria and in the diaspora. Because, hey, we're everywhere, all right? Because we're everywhere and we do excellence everywhere. All right, so we're going to start with month one, January. Yeah, Kelechi Eke Chieftaincy. Nigeria's filmmaker Kelechi was honored with the title. Now, look, this is why I need to join the classes, the Igbo language school, because I don't want to be butchering words. Yeah, but anyway, he got his chieftaincy in Imo State, recognizing his contribution to the cultural development. All right. So number two, in fact, maybe I should elaborate on that a little bit more. If I can, let's pull up my information right here. So he is US based Nigerian. You see what I'm trying to say? We are everywhere. US based Nigerian filmmaker, founder of the African Film Festival in Dallas, Texas. If there's anywhere else, if Nigeria, sorry, if Ebola had another land in outside of America, outside of Africa, outside of Nigeria, it would be Dallas. It would be Houston. Yeah, yeah. I'm saying, where would it be in the UK though? Let me know. Leave your answer in the comment section below. I would like to know because I would think it's somewhere in South London. I'll say Peckham, get me the Nam, or I'll say New Cross. I'll say Plumstead, but most probably I would definitely say Thamesmead, but I would definitely take Peckham. All right. Uh, so basically, he he basically Kelechi has declared that he wasn't doing humanitarian work, so I can't even pronounce English work to seek political favors or accolades. He wasn't doing it for that. He was just doing it because that's what he felt he's called to do. You know, when you are called, you feel like you're called to do something, you would naturally do it. You see what I'm saying? So rather, he's into providing genuine service to the people without asking for anything in return. And that's essentially what I feel like is what ICSN truly is about. You know what I mean? When you, especially if you do become an exec, but you know what I mean. That's what it's about. It's about that really and truly. Yeah. But anyway, let's move on. In February 2024, Igbo language preservation. The irony, right? All right. So preservation efforts. In response to concerns about the Igbo language future, increased initiative emerged to promote and teach Igbo, including online classes and cultural festivals. Yeah. Now, I wish I could elaborate, but that's pretty much all I got down. I went in my front. You know what I mean? Because at the end of the day, there's so much that can be said, and there's so much that should be said. Um, but anyway, moving on to the next month. But if you know any more in January or February, leave the answer in the comment section below. Do you know what I mean? Let's celebrate. Let's get me. Because it's good. Like these type of things make you realize if they could do it, I could do it too. You know what I mean? Anyway, let's keep it moving. Also, make sure you hit the subscribe button as well. Like, follow. Yeah, like, comment, subscribe, share, all that. All right. So in March 2024, Igbo Culture Association Calgary's Igbo Day, the association it organized events to raise awareness about Igbo values, traditions, and achievements, fostering community spirit in the diaspora. Now, me myself, I'm gonna have to give you some more information on that because I know you're probably thinking, what is that? You know what I'm saying? What is that? But like end of the day, yeah. So basically, it's a time when able people come together clearly to showcase and promote their rich cultural heritage, tradition, language, and history. The event, um, it's most likely in Canada. It says CA. Usually CA.ca is definitely Canada, but we can always do a quick Google. Where is if the sound like how when I first saw that word, I actually thought it was in I actually thought it was yeah, I actually thought it was in in France. I don't know why. I saw on the news at one point, and I'm thinking, I swear that's in France, but then it's like I don't even know these days. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, so that is March. Again, if you know anything, any achievements that have been made in March, leave that in the comment section below. Let's go, let's go, let's go. All right, so April 2024, African Women Arts and Film Festival, founded by Kelechi Eke. He that's it's you know what I'm saying? January and April. I guess he's anyway. I'm gonna say, I guess it's his year, isn't it? Wait, give me a second. Give me a second. I want to see if I got more. Okay, no. Anyway, so basically, celebrated the work of the African women in the film, highlighting Igbo filmmakers, um, Igbo female filmmakers' contributions. Yeah. And I think it's important that that happens because let's be real, there's a lot that do good, very talented, you know what I mean? So they need to get their deserved accolades and appreciations and stuff like that. Yeah. But anyway, let's move on to May. But if you know anything more for April, leave it in the comment section below. So in May 2024, again, Igbo language policy implementation, the Nigerian government policy to teach primary students in their native languages, including Igbo, began to take effect, aiming to preserve indigenous languages. This should have already been in place in the first place, if you ask me. You know what I mean? It really should have been in place. All right, that's my humble opinion, and I'm sticking by it. All right. So let me ask you a question in the comment below. Did you learn like what languages did you learn in school? You know what I mean? Especially in primary school. Let me know in the comment section below. Because that's a very interesting thing. Anyway, in June, Igbo Community Success in Wiki Loves Africa 2024. The Igbo community actively participated and won accolades in the annual photo contest showing African culture on Wikimedia platforms, which is great to see. If you know any more for June, put in the comment section below. You know what I mean? Now I don't want to put this guy's name, but Mike Ejega, music revival, the classic song Ka Esele on Onye Ise Oche by veteran musician gained renowned popularity through a viral dance challenge thanks to Brain Jota, introducing his work to a new generation. And I think it's great that happened. And it's interesting. I'm thinking, wait, hang on. You know what I mean? Like when you think about it, like, do you know how old that song is? Like it is old, but the fact that it was able to have a new lease of life, you know what I mean? It's a great feeling, and it's good that Bray Jar, you know, met up with him and just said, let's did what he did and helped. You know what I mean? Like gave him money and stuff like that. Like I think it's great. It's a great thing. Like cause that viral dance, when I say it truly went viral, oh, it truly went viral. So much to the point where you had people from different countries doing the challenge. Yeah, like the like you had so many different people, like so many different people. Like I'm telling you, like if I could insert a clip, I'll show you the different clips. It is so interesting how with life you just never ever know how much your contribution in life and in your career, or how much it can affect other people in positive ways. You know what I mean? Um, Also in July, there was the Igbo Festival and Arts of Culture that happened in London and Enfield. So shout out to all those that attended. Get me. So yeah, man, that also was one good thing. I think like 10 years as well, like the 10th anniversary. You know what I mean? And like me being an exec and that, yeah, man. Anyway, but then also there was also Igbo in August 2024, Igbo World Festival of Arts and Culture held in Virginia, USA. Out of all places, you're talking about Virginia, not even Houston, Texas, not even Dallas, Texas, Houston, America. You're talking about Virginia, yeah. You're talking about, you know. Let me see you push the T. My bad. Anyway, let's just stay on topic here. But anyway, this festival featured traditional dances, music, and art celebrating Igbo heritage and fostering unity among Igbos worldwide. So that was great to see. Because I think, in fact, there was another thing that happened in August. Let me see if I can pull it up. Because there was something else. There was something else that happened in August. Well, there was the New Young Festival in America as well, 3 day homecoming. New Young Festival, the annual cultural festival that takes place at the end of the rainy season in early August. The festival symbolizes the end of the harvest and the beginning of the next week, the next work cycle. You know what I mean? So, yeah, so that was good. I think there was something else that happened. There was a convention or something. What was it? There was something that happened in June. I mean August. So my bad. Like I should have really properly wrote this down. Only because um yeah, I'm pretty sure it was this. Never mind. What I'll do is through the editing process, I will insert those clips. Do you know what I mean? Or and let you know what was what. Do you know what I mean? But anyway, let's keep it moving. So in September 2024, the Great Igbo Achievers Event, the annual event honored notable Igbo individuals for their exceptional contribution in various fields, promoting excellence within the community. So, you know what I mean? Also, let's swing back to August. Let's swing back to August. Because you know what also happened? Yeah? Flavor. Yeah? Flavor came to England, bro. He came to London. He came to shut down Wembley. You know what I mean? Like, so that was great to see. That was great to witness. You know what I mean? Like, you can see past episodes in regards to that. So, you know what I mean? Like, so that was something else that was an achievement because it's great that he's able to continue to make music inspired by his own well, inspired by our culture technically. And it's like, so yeah, it was good to see. It was good to see, even though we were looking at a big bird in that. But you know, we knew. But yes, let's fast forward to October 2024. Ordinary Igbo Cultural Club inauguration, founded by once again Kelechi Eke. This guy, if there's any, listen, this is 2024 is easier. It is his year. From what I'm seeing, yeah, this is his year. It's his year. Yeah, you might as well call him the Kendrick Lamar. No, I'm playing. But you get the point I'm trying to make. He definitely had an excellent year, man. The club aims to celebrate Igbo culture and preserve the Igbo language in the diaspora with plans to establish an Igbo museum in Dallas. Yeah, we need one in the UK. We need one everywhere around the world. Let's go. Yeah. But and staying on October as well, there was something else happening in October. Finno also released an album. Yeah. Of course, he had to release an album in October because, yeah, the month he was born in that's just, yeah, his album Full Time Job. And obviously it features the massive hit Do I, which and there's a remix of Do I featuring Burna Boy, but you know what I mean. So it's good that he was able to release the album on the 4th of October. So that was good. That was great to witness during that October 2024. Like there's so many things that has happened. So in November 2024, okay, no, this is backwards because this is nah. Hold on. The notes I have, sometimes when you write notes, and it looks like a frozen. Anyway, the notes I have is kind of what the notes I have for November has basically been in I was meant to mention it for August. I don't know, so that's my fault. But anyway, doesn't matter. So that's fine. And in December, Igbo language preservation milestone increased enrollment in Igbo language courses and cultural programs were reported, reflecting a growing commitment to preserving the language for future generations. And also, I do want to add that, you know, there was a great turnout, even though I unfortunately couldn't attend, but like a great turnout to the end of year party and that. But like, so listen, one thing I will say is this, yeah. Um, doing this. Also, one thing I forgot to mention is obviously the launch of this podcast. All right, that happened this year as well. Yeah, and I will never take that for granted. I know it seems like I haven't been uploading content now and again, but I need you people to be watching. I need you people to be listening. You know what I mean? I need you people to be sharing. Get me? Let me know what you want to see on the podcast. If you want to become a guest, let me know. Get me? I mean, let's make things happen. But obviously, my tenure is nearly up, innit? So it is what it is. But we do, listen, the person who is going to become the next Kwenu exec, I recommend that they continue this podcast and take it to another level. You know what I mean? Because this podcast has got a lot of potential. And obviously, yeah, this is the first year of this podcast, but there's a lot more that can be done, and there's a lot more that shall be done, and there's a lot more that will be done if whoever you are, you want to take over. And then, yeah, man. But anyway, that's me. Get me. So, thank you for listening. Thank you for watching. But let me know what your highlights of 2024, even if it's your own personal highlights, it's always good to share because you never know who can inspire. But anyway, yeah.